Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I brought out some Blythes and a little Big Eye to show you the Santa ornaments I found. Each year, doll lovers everywhere, doll creators everywhere, Instagram and YouTube, and we all buy these darling little ornaments that are Santa coats, and cut the back, add Velcro or snaps, and put them on our dolls for Christmas. This is my little Streetwise. This is my Kenner Blythe. This is a Takara Blythe. And this is an Alley Blythe. The two little pink Santa coats I bought at Walmart, and they were actually on these little hangers. You get hangers with these if you take them out carefully. I thought they were real cute. So we went to Columbia. Oh, her pants look kind of funny. They do match. They do match the two sides. I wanted the mint green to match, and it didn't come out as cute as I thought it would, but you can't mess up a Blythe. They're just so cute. My little Takara, I started to say, this came from Walmart, and they were like $2 each. I went back to get more. Our Walmarts did not have them. These little coats came in a pack of 3 for $3 at the Dollar General. Again, I just took the back and cut it open, added Velcro. My little Takara is wearing another little ornament that, you know what, I'm just gonna, the coats are kind of bulky, so to put them in their little stands, any stand, is not so easy, and I really want to be careful with my Takara and Kenner, because this time of year, that plastic, you want to be careful. That is not new plastic. It's almost antique and vintage, that's for sure. Anyway, she's wearing a little Christmas ornament that clips like this in a pack of 3. I just thought it was kind of cute, stick it in her hair. So I just thought I'd bring these out and show you how cute they look and how festive sitting around your house for the holidays. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
The hat's my favorite.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cute. I like the headbands. I love those headbands you make.